Welcome to our guide on changing your wallet address in LSSC. It's essential to keep your wallet address updated to ensure your transactions are secure and reliable. Let's dive into quick steps to make this change. First, log into your LSSC account securely. Ensure you're using a trusted device and a secure internet connection. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings area. You can usually find this icon on the top right corner of the dashboard. Next, you need to locate the wallet address section. It should be listed among your account details. Enter your new wallet address carefully. Double-check for any mistakes, as this is critical for your transactions. Now, verify the new wallet address for accuracy. Take your time to ensure everything is correct. Once you've verified your address, make sure to save the changes and confirm the update. You don't want to lose your new information. Check for a confirmation email or notification to ensure your wallet address has been updated successfully. Finally, remember these important tips to keep your wallet secure. Use two-factor authentication, avoid sharing your wallet address, and regularly monitor your transactions. To wrap up, updating your wallet address in LSSC is straightforward. Follow these steps, and you'll ensure your transactions remain secure. Thank you for watching.